Hi everyone, my name is RJ. I'm the technical specialist with the SHI Surface team. I'm proud to present, I have a brand new Surface Laptop 5 fresh off the assembly line. I'm going to unbox for you guys, so I'm going to open it up, we're going to see what's inside of it, and we're going to take a look at the Laptop 5. Okay everyone, so here is the box I'm about to open right now. So from looks, you got to take this little plastic off first. I got my little knife right here. I'm going to very carefully cut the plastic. All right, open it goes, and yep, right to the Laptop 5. That's the first thing you see in the nice little cloth cover. Okay, so I'm gonna take this little cloth cover off. And oof, here we go. This is the Surface Laptop 5. So this is the Surface itself, so let's see what else we have in the box. So this little mini box right here, you have, I believe, the warranty information, the safety guide, card for Microsoft support, usual of most products. Then here, I believe, is the power supply. Up, which on this side you open it. Yep, if you have a Surface device before, this is a pretty standard Surface 65 watt charger, and yep, I was correct. Get this little plastic cover off, which I tore, but you're all going to tear that anyway, so I wouldn't worry about that. Okay, and that's off. And yep, it is a 65 watt charger. So if you already have like a Surface Pro or a different Surface device, it's pretty much the exact same charger you're used to. Uses the Surface Connect port, which is proprietary. And I can put this aside. I'm pretty sure that's all we have in the box actually. Yeah, if I take out this bottom part, there is nothing else included. That is minimalism at its best. Hi everyone, so as I just unboxed for you guys, this is the Surface Laptop 5. In the matte black 13-inch size. So the two main differences with this model from the previous generation is, as I said before, with the ports, that USB-C port is now Thunderbolt 4 equipped, so you can have faster data transfer speeds, more monitor support, you can use an eGPU if you want, as well as Thunderbolt 3 and 4 docks as well. And the second main difference, 12th generation Alder Lake CPU inside, the 1265U, which is a 10-core CPU, 2 performance cores, 8 efficiency cores. So it's overall, it handles cores differently than how the previous generation did, but it's much more efficient and much more powerful. And that is the Laptop 5.